Okay, this is fingerroot. Of all the gingers I've ever grown from a market, this is the easiest to grow. I suspect because this has got the roots as well as the rhizome.
Okay.
The plant's ready to grow.
Okay.
Now, I mentioned earlier on that you really want nice, healthy plants. This is not a healthy plant. It's got mold on it.
Okay.
But this is actually a really tough one, so you never know. This one actually might sprout.
Okay.
This is one of the quickest to sprout, and what it actually makes quite an elegant plant with quite broad leaves. It doesn't make a tall stem like this plant.
What's this? What is this one?
This is a hedychium. It's a ginger lily, so it's an ornamental one, really. You can
Okay.
eat it, but it's not really grown for food.
Okay.
So what I was going to say about these. The other thing is, in the autumn, these will make flowers, which you can also eat in a salad.
Oh, brilliant.
The leaves are edible, as are the leaves of turmeric. You can do nice things with the leaves of all of these gingers.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
even if you don't get many roots, it's a herb,
Yep.
it's a decorative plant, and it's a bit of fun.
Brilliant.
The next one along is galangal.
Yep.
So these are related to shell gingers, to some ornamental plants and so on, and they're evergreens.
Right.
Whereas some of the other gingers, they die down in the autumn. So this
Okay.
is like a permanent thing. I've never really managed to get these to grow from a supermarket one, but if you get some really nice healthy roots, it's worth a try.
Okay.
You should be able to do it.
So you treat that these three as almost house plants.
They're basically house
Yeah.
plants.
Okay. Great.
Right. Shall we?
Yep.
I'll